Have you been wondering what you can do to give back and help out your community? Well, I propose that you donate blood. Donating blood is one of the easiest things that you can do to help out others, and it only takes about an hour of your time. The donation itself will only take about 10 minutes, but prior to the donation, they will ask you health history questions and you'll receive a small physical to make sure that you're up for the task at hand. Not to mention, you generally receive cookies and juice after your donation is complete. Approximately 43,000 pints of blood are used each day in the United States and Canada alone. And a donation only equals 1 pint. This 1 pint can be split up into 3 components: red blood cells, plasma, and platelets, and those 3 components can be used to help 3 people's lives. I have a chart to show the eligibility of people who can donate. The blue and the yellow represent 60% of the population that is eligible to donate, and 5%, the small yellow sliver, are those who do donate that are eligible. So you see how important it is that we go ahead and donate our blood. You might be thinking that you want to donate, but you don't know if you should. Well, the biggest reason you should donate is to help out others. Your blood can help save someone's life, or possibly even 3 people's lives. And there's no substitute for human blood. If you are in need of blood, the only way you'll receive it is if someone of your blood type has donated. If you don't know your blood type, it's really important to know your blood type. And if you go donate, you will learn your blood type. It's important to know your blood type in case of emergencies. If you have an emergency and you need blood, and you know your blood type, you can get your blood transfusion a lot faster. Or if a family member needs a blood transfusion and you're a match, you can donate so that they can receive your blood. Donating blood can also be a way for you to help fulfill some community service. It's only about an hour. It doesn't take that much time if you don't have much time. You may be thinking that you want to donate, but you're not sure if you're eligible. It's really simple to find out if you're eligible. You can go down to a donation center and they'll answer any questions that you may have. Some basic requirements you'll need in order to donate. You must be at least 17 years old. There is no age cap. It doesn't matter how old you are, young at heart, but you must be at least 17 years old. And you must weigh at least 110 pounds. And you need to have a photo ID with you, and you'll need to give your social security number. And you must not have donated within the last 56 days. You're only allowed to donate what they call whole blood, which is a full donation of 1 pint every 56 days. There's a number of things that may cause you to be unable to donate only temporarily. Just to name a few, if you have a cold or the flu, they ask you to wait until all your symptoms have subsided and you are completely healthy. Or if you're pregnant, you had a miscarriage, or you had an abortion, they ask you to wait until 6 weeks after your delivery or your abortion has taken place. If you've gotten a tattoo, they ask you to wait a year. There may be some things that cause you to be unable to donate permanently. Just to name a few: AIDS, cancer, if you've had hepatitis after the age of 11, if you spent 3 or more months in the United Kingdom in the time 1980 through 1996, basically if you could have been exposed to mad cow disease, or if you've had IV drug use, drugs that have not been prescribed by a physician, even if it was just once, they ask you to please not donate. It's also very common when considering to donate to have concerns for your health, and everyone should have concerns for their health. The biggest concern people have is the use of needles. Every donor gets a brand new needle, and you also get a brand new bag that collects blood. That way the spread of infection is just not possible. Another common concern is the amount of blood that is taken. The average human adult carries 10 to 12 pints of blood. A blood donation only equals 1 pint, or just 2 cups, not very much at all, and your body will naturally replace this 1 pint of blood within 24 hours of the donation. When the donation is complete, the blood will be packed up for transport. The blood will then be sent to labs and tested, and from there you'll be informed if there's anything wrong with your blood. Chances are, if you answered all your health history questions truthfully and honestly, then you'll be just fine. From there, once the blood has tested and the results have come back, that's when they'll split it into the 3 components. Once again, the red blood cells, the platelets, and the plasma. And from there it will be sent to where it is needed. Not being able to donate doesn't mean that you can't do your part to help. Blood drives are always in need of volunteers to help out. You can volunteer to put up posters before a blood drive and then take them down again once the blood drive is complete. Or if you're a behind the scenes kind of person, you can always go work in a blood drive office. They're always in need of help of those blood drives so that you can help out others. Once again, please consider to donate blood. We need it. There's only 5% of the 60% of the population eligible to donate that actually does. And everyone might need blood every once in a while. So just do your part and help out each other. Thank you.